All right, so we've got this question. We need to solve for x. We shall say ln of x power x is equal to ln of 6. We introduce ln to both sides of the equation. So what will happen here is that this x will come right here in front because of the ln. So it's a property which says that when you've got a power b, and when you introduce ln, this will look like this, and then the power will come in front, and this is how it will look. It will be b ln over a. So this is a property we need to introduce right here, or that's the reason why I've introduced the ln here and ln here. So x ln of x will be equal to ln over 6. And from here, the way it looks, we need to introduce something else. Look at this. When you've got e power ln of a, this is equal to a. Okay, can you see the way it looks? This and this will cancel out. This a will come down here, so it's equal to a. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to introduce something that looks like this. When you've got e power a, the moment you introduce w, this is called Lambert. Okay, you can see this base e power, the coefficient and the power are equal to each other. And when you introduce w, this will be equal to a, and it's called Lambert. So I've decided to talk about this so that you get to know what is happening here. So here we shall say e, okay, ln over x. Okay, I've introduced e ln e power ln of x. So this whole thing is equal to x, is equal to what we have here using this property here. Now we can say this is x, or this is x, which is being multiplied by ln of x right here. And this is equal to ln over 6. So don't introduce e this side, because the e is just here, right here. This whole thing is equal to what we have here. So now from here, you can see that it's moving a little bit closer to this. We have got a coefficient, this is a coefficient, and we've got e, this is e, and the power, which is equal to the coefficient. So we can write this as ln of x, e ln or power ln of x is equal to ln of 6. So you can see it looks like this. So this is the coefficient, which is here, and then there's a power here, which is right here. They are equal to each other. We can therefore introduce w, which is called Lambert, this w which is here, and this is ln of x, e power ln of x is equal to, since we've introduced w here, even the other side we're supposed to introduce w. It's called Lambert. So now we've seen that this property can work. This will be equal to this. So we can see that what we have here, which is ln of x, is equal to w ln over 6. Okay. And from here, since we're solving for x, we can now introduce e, of which we know that using this property here, if we introduce e here, and the other side, we also introduce the e, this whole thing will cancel out. We shall remain with x, which is equal to e power w, open bracket, ln over 6, like this. This is our answer. So the approximate answer here we can say equal to 2.345. That is, when we punch on the calculator, this value is coming out to be equal to, approximate to this 2.345. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share the video, leave a comment in the comment section. This has been Isichamba Jacob, and bye-bye.